Alright, let's talk about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. And this time, not the hype, but the real leaks. So first things first, remember how everyone was banking on an April 24th launch? Well, hate to break it to you, but that's not happening. Multiple DJI insiders have confirmed that the Mavic 4 Pro is delayed, and now we have hard proof. A leaked internal email from DJI to their early experience users pretty much seals the deal. According to leaker Hakasushi, who rarely posts, but always drops legit info when he does, the drone was never going to hit stores on April 24th. He warned us about the delay over a few days ago, and yep, he was right. That warning started picking up traction when boxes labeled Mavic 4 Pro with official DJI tape started showing up online. These boxes had big stickers in Chinese saying they couldn't be opened until the 24th, which only fueled speculation. But behind the scenes, DJI had already shifted their schedule. Then came the big one, an actual leaked email from DJI. Props to Jasper Ellens for getting hold of it and sharing it through Drone XL. This email was meant for DJI's early experience testers, and it's equal parts spicy and hilarious. Why? Because it literally warns users not to leak any details. And then it gets leaked. The email reveals some very interesting details. First, it confirms that testers are being offered the Mavic 4 Pro at nearly 50% off, 7,600 RMB, which is about 1,041 US dollars. That's a steep discount from the base price of 13,500 RMB, or around $1,849. For reference, the final consumer pricing, depending on region and whether it includes the RC2 controller, might land closer to $2,250 before tax. So yeah, testers are getting a seriously sweet deal. Now here's where the timeline gets real. The email says the testing period ends on May 11th, which is a Sunday. And if you know DJI, you know they never launch new products on Mondays or Fridays. It's a whole thing with time zones and weekends. That makes Tuesday, May 13th, the most likely official launch date. So yep, the Mavic 4 Pro is now expected to drop on May 13th, 2025, just a few weeks from now. Meanwhile, leaked footage of the Mavic 4 Pro flying in the wild has been everywhere. From table shots to drone flights, it's become a flood. Even Igor, a Russian DJI insider, shared a new video. But at this point, even that feels like old news. We've seen the drone, we've seen it fly. Now we're just waiting for real stuff, official product images, specs, and hands-on footage. And speaking of specs, buckle up. While not confirmed by the top DJI leakers yet, one unverified leak has been making serious waves. According to this report, the Mavic 4 Pro might come with a 100-megapixel 4x3 Hasselblad sensor, paired with a 28mm f2, f11 lens. That would be a massive leap from the Mavic 3 Pro's 20-megapixel camera. Even the telephoto lens could see a big upgrade. A 50-megapixel 1x1.5-inch sensor with a 168mm f2.8 lens. In terms of video, there's talk of 6K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 14 stops of dynamic range. That's cinema-level performance in a drone. We might also see a brand new O4 Plus transmission system with 40-kilometer range while streaming 4K at 30 FPS. Though the lack of teasing around this feature has some people skeptical. The Mavic 4 Pro could get a 6,654 mAh cell with 52 minutes of flight time and 245-watt fast charging. Seriously impressive. Oh, and it doesn't stop there. There's mention of LiDAR forward obstacle sensing, possibly a 360-degree gimbal roll, though 180 seems more likely, and a bump in internal storage to 64 GB or 512 GB if bundled with the RC Pro 2. That's a huge jump from the Mavic 3 Pro's 8 GB. We even saw references to dual remote support, increased yaw movement, and a new flight weight of 1,045 grams. Slightly heavier, but justified by all the new tech packed in. So yeah, if even half of these specs turn out to be true, the Mavic 4 Pro might just be the biggest leap we've seen in DJI's drone game in years. For now, we wait. Official images and specs could drop as early as this week, and the announcement is now rumored for May 6th, 1 week before launch. Thanks for hanging out. Hit that like and subscribe button if you're hyped for Mavic 4 Pro, and we'll catch you next time with hopefully some actual product news.